Drones are making farming much more precise, allowing farmers to do more with less. Instead of spraying an entire field, farmers can pinpoint exactly which areas need treatment. Not only does that save farmers time, it also saves money. There's less damage to crops being run over by tractors, you don't need to worry about getting your drone stuck in a muddy field, and drones typically cost less. Today we're heading down to our service center to grab the ABZ L30 V2, where we'll meet up with Drone Nerd's ABZ Innovation Specialist Alex Roberts and Advanced UAS trainer Stewart de la Rosa.
How you doing today? You're here with Drone Nerds. We have the ABZ L30 here today with us. We're gonna be performing a test flight and showing you the seeder and sprayers on this drone. We'll start by opening up our arms and locking them into place. Opening our propellers. Once again, locking all arms into place. This is the bag that your controller comes in. Standard remote, 2 clicks, power on. My partner will be retrieving the battery for me right there. Right now here, we're filling up the tank. After my partner's doing that, I'll turn on the drone and we'll have connection between that and the remote. So boom, I will power on the unit now. 2 clicks on the power button. So here on the controller, you have your ABZ Innovations app. As you can see, we are connected, it's downloading.
Primary change, 1.
Give it a few. Let me connect my phone to the spot. And left analog, preparing to take off, arming. As you can see, we will be going up now. So I will start the sprayer. I will bring it in a little bit closer.
And just for a few specs, the ABZ L30 V2 carries a 30-liter or about 8-gallon tank and features a controlled droplet application or CDA, allowing you to adjust your droplet size from 60 to 1000 micrometers with a flow rate of up to 4.2 gallons per minute. As for the batteries, they only take about 15 minutes to charge. And you also get LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance, dual RTK, and an HD FPV camera. This drone is ideal for medium to large fields, covering up to 52 acres per hour. Alright, back to Alex.
Right now I'm dumping the tank with the sprayer. I'm emptying the tanks because the drone itself, it's way heavier. It's a great drone, I recommend it. Very sturdy in the wind. It is very, very breezy, but it holds up perfectly, just fine. Very stable. And yeah, the tanks are about empty now. And then a switch up, a flick up, the motors turn off, and there's no more spraying. And we're still at 39%, 27 antennas, 27 satellites, my apologies. Yeah, 0 liquid, 0 gallons, So I'll just start off with the powering off our controller. It's a press and hold one time. Power off, it will shut down. First step, we close all our propellers. Let's get all of these closed up. All arm locking joints, unlock them. Push them in the bottom. Top locking joints, boom, and we're ready to put it up. So yes, but underneath the motors, lift up, and from there, very easy for a 2-man job.